Catch the wind beneath your wings as we soar into the fascinating world of eagles. Fact 1, did you know the harpy eagle with its incredible wingspan can fly up to 50 miles per hour? That's faster than most speed limits in urban areas. Moving on to fact 2. Eagles have remarkable vision, up to 4 times better than a human's perfect sight. Imagine spotting a rabbit from 2 miles away. Astonishing, isn't it? Lastly, fact 3. Eagles are not just skilled hunters. They're also caring parents. Both mother and father share the childcare duties, from incubating eggs to feeding and guarding their young. There you have it, 3 striking facts about eagles. Remember, there's always more to learn in the wild world around us. Join us again as we continue to explore and uncover the marvels of nature.